friends, we're going to make a space chain.
Oh, that sounds interesting, Sari. What do you need for your space chain?
We need like cleaners. We have a sparkly one, pattern one, yeah.
So your space chain will have different
Shapes. It will have a galaxy, a star, a moon, a planet, shooting star, Earth,
and it could be
a moon,
yes, moon, or we can make
a sun.
other planets.
Yeah.
The sun. That will consume space. Are you going to pick the colors of your pipe cleaners?
I'll pick red.
Yellow and
White.
color.
I need green. A yellow one,
Yellow one,
no pink one,
pink one.
blue sparkly one.
We're going to show them how to make different shapes with those
Pipe
cleaners.
cleaner.
So what do you need to do? You need to bend it
Or fold it.
to form the
Shape. First, we're going to make the spiral.
so you can trace the drawing, or you can
Just twist it over.
twist it around your
Finger.
finger.
I'll twist it. There's your spiral.
So what's the next shape we're making?
Star.
And we're going to use one pipe cleaner.
This pipe cleaner. First, we made the star.
So make sure when you make the shapes, there's an opening so you can connect them later and to make the chain. So what's the next shape?
The moon.
We're gonna make a moon.
First, we make a letter D. Now we make it smile.
That is a moon. That's really cool.
Now we're going to make a planet with a ring. We're going to use the yellow,
You're gonna use the yellow pipe cleaner for the planet
and
with the ring.
you twist it.
So you twist both ends and
Done.
then you bend it towards the
And
center of the ring. There you go. So to make the planet,
we need a foil.
you need a foil, and you're gonna
Crumble it.
crumple it into a ball. Can you do that?
I made a hole there to make.
So once you've made the bowl, you're gonna attach that to the pipe cleaner to create the planet. What planet has a ring?
Saturn.
Saturn. There you go.
There we go. We made a Saturn.
You just made Saturn. What's the next shape?
A shooting star.
We're gonna make a shooting star, and you're using
Blue.
the blues for the pipe cleaner. So you're gonna use the drawing to make the shape.
Now we made it.
So once you've made the shape of the star,
We will put the ribbons.
you're gonna add ribbons to create what?
The
tail
Yeah.
of the shooting star.
Now we're going to put. Voila.
You just made the tail of the shooting star.
Next, we're going to do the circle.
So the last shape would be another
Shape.
planet.
Now we need to tie. After that,
So you just
bend it. Now,
put the ends together and make a.
circle.
So what are the shapes you made?
Spiral, star, moon, Saturn, ring, Saturn, shooting star, and a planet.
Planet. How many shapes did you make?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
6 shapes. And now we're gonna connect them together. So you're gonna twist them. So that's why when you make the shapes, make sure if there's an opening so you can connect them.
Now we made our chain.
So you can do more shapes and then connect them to make a longer space chain. So you can make more shapes to create a longer
One.
space chain.
That's a long chain.
It is a long chain, and that would look beautiful in
A room.
so we can use that space chain to decorate your room, or you can just hang it anywhere you want. It's really nice.
Or you can make it in your cubby house.
You put it in your cubby house. That would look cool. Wow, that's cool.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.